Good afternoon. Thank you all. Thank you very much for coming and witnessing our trailer launch. Thank you, Akshay. I'm so grateful to you. And we'll send you fast, don't worry. Because even I know what pressure you are here. Anyway, for the last 4 decades, been honored to be a part of this Indian film industry, uh, portraying or telling stories in different roles. And some of the roles have, I think, they have enchanted heart of many. But this is something very special. I am standing in front of you in a new role as a director of a film, which I never thought. But this is something very personal and something, it's a happening. Burrows, immediately I'll say Burrows is something very different. It has got a different layer of emotions, adventure, magic, wonder. It's a 3D film. When you say 3D, it's a proper native 3D film shot with stereo lenses. First of its kind, and maybe not first of its kind, we did the first 3D film in Malayalam. It's called My Dear Kuttichathan. So after that, 2 films they tried. After 40 years, somebody is trying to come out with a 3D film. And we have, and thank you very much, we have unbelievable support from all of our technicians. I'll introduce them later, some of the technicians later. Burrows is a story crafted with love for both children and adults. You can watch the film with your family and with your friends. But just step into the theater with an open heart to experience the magic world of Burrows, to explore the magic world of Burrows. I will talk to you later because I want to send Mr. Akshay. So please enjoy it. And I want to call Jayanti Bhai for a minute. Thank you very much, Jayanti Bhai, because so kind to distribute our film in Hindi language all over India. Thank you so much. If you want a few words from you, they will be happy.
Yeah. जयंती भाई हम जानना चाहते हैं कि why have you taken this film for distribution? What made you take this film? इसमें क्या था आपको जो
सबसे पहले तो मोहनलाल जी के हम फ़ैन हैं और इनसे जब बात हुई कि इनकी जो एक्सपीरियंस है 360 फिल्मों में इन्होंने काम किया है और ये पिक्चर उन्होंने डायरेक्ट किया है और उनका कॉन्फिडेंस देखा कि मुझे लगता है 360 डायरेक्टर का पूरा एक्सपीरियंस इन्होंने इस फिल्म में डाला है। और जब बात हुई कि इन्होंने हमने बोला इसको 2D में भी रिलीज़ करते हैं तो इन्होंने मना किया क्योंकि हमने बोला बड़ी रिलीज़ करनी है तो 2D भी ज़रूरी है क्योंकि 3D अकेली इतनी बड़ी स्क्रीन इंडिया में नहीं मिल सकती। तो इन्होंने बोला मुझे 2D नहीं रिलीज़ करनी है, पहले 3D रिलीज़ करनी है। तो इनका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल इतना देख के और खुशी है कि हमको इन्होंने जोड़ा इस फिल्म के साथ। थैंक यू।
Thank you.
May I call Akshay Kumar sir?
उनको पूछा मुझे कुछ पूछना
Sir, आपको पूछना, we know that you have been one of the most punctual persons. You have really been a role model in your dedication to the industry. So we're just very happy and we would like to know what do you say to your colleague and friend?
well as usual सबकी तरह मैं भी मोहन साहब का बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ। इनकी बहुत सारी फिल्में देखी हैं। एक फिल्म मुझे अभी भी याद है, पहले आपकी पहली फिल्म में आप विलन का रोल किया था ना 1980 में 1980 एंड आई रिमेंबर दैट फिल्म एंड देन चित्राम्बम विद जो आपके और मेरे मित्र ने ही डायरेक्ट की थी, प्रियदर्शन साहब ने। ऐसी बहुत सारी फिल्में हैं जो मैंने देखी हैं, फिर लैंग्वेज ना भी समझ में आए फिर भी सब टाइटल मिला के देखते हैं, जैसे आप सबने भी देखी होगी। इस फिल्म के मतलब बारे में थोड़ा बहुत मुझे पता है क्योंकि सर ने कल ही मुझे कहा था और कल मुझे एक किताब दी थी और उसके अंदर लिखा था कि कैसे वो ट्रेजर के ऊपर है पूरी पिक्चर। ही इज़ प्रोटेक्टिंग द ट्रेजर ऑल्सो, द वास्को द गामा's ट्रेजर समथिंग। सो आप की तरह मैं भी रेडी हूँ, देखते हैं पहले ट्रेलर देखते हैं उसके बाद बात करते हैं। ओके जी, ट्रेलर देखते हैं। थैंक यू।
So can we have the trailer on, please?
Yeah, please put the glasses and we can have the trailer.
लेकिन ये स्पेनिश गाना क्या हो रहा है इसमें? Why is the Spanish songs in this?
It's a Portugal song.
Yeah, Portugal song. Why is it in this?
Portugal, I told you, it's a fado song. Fado songs are mostly connected with sea. It's for longing, waiting, It is about expectations. So with the subtitles, we have subtitles, the songs. And we start with the Feather song and we end with the Svada song, this film. So why I selected, it's a Portuguese story. So when you watch the film, and there is a connection with water, with the sea. Barros has got a wonderful connection. So we incorporated these two Feather songs in this.
And the singers are from.
They are all from Portugal, composed by Portugal masters, musicians, and the singers are also very well known in Portuguese. So something different, and it is connected with the story.
So in a way, it's really this is a pan-world film for sure.
Okay. Now I want to introduce somebody very special because this film has got a visual experience designed for an immersive theatrical and visual, and even with a sound experience. The unique feature of this film, the film features an animated character. Yeah, I think you have seen. It's called Udu. It's an animated character with a real characters. That is a big challenge for us. And if you watch the film, you don't feel him as an animated character. It is a part of the film. Throughout the film, it is there. And we have a fully animated underwater song with the lead actress, but it's an animated song. So it was a challenge. And we got somebody who can do this. It's called the Labyrinth Studios. So this unique blend of animation, live action, and immersive sound in Burrows are created by Labyrinth. About Labyrinth is a Mumbai-based Labyrinth cinematic solution. And I'm proud to have collaborated with Labyrinth on my debut movie. So I invite Mr. Siddharth Jaikar, founder and CEO of Labyrinth, and also Mr. J.B. Jose, he's an animation supervisor. They have done a magic, they have done unbelievable things to us. Thank you. Yeah. Mr. Siddharth and JB.
Thank you, Mohanlal sir, for giving us the opportunity. First and foremost, we were approached about a year ago, and we were, of course, presented with the technical challenges that this sort of a project can entail. And firstly, we were just absolutely stunned that we could get the opportunity to work with such a big superstar. I know Javi is from Kerala, and I mean, he's one of the most recognized faces in the world with probably the longest body of work that we can think of. And for us to have been considered to collaborate with you on your directorial debut is an honor in itself. And for us, it was, we had to do the best job we could. We had to literally, we did not hold back at all. I pushed my team all the way to the limit to get the absolute best output so that we would stand amongst the other greats that have made this film, the people that were introduced earlier. I hope our work is on par with all the other legendary technicians that have been involved in this film and with our legendary director, Mr. Mohanlal sir. Thank you so much. Thank you to Ashirvad Cinemas as well. We really, really relished and appreciated the opportunity.
Yeah. As Lal sir said that Voodoo itself, the animated character, it has to be animated as part of the film, not an animated character. He itself has a character in him. So the greatest challenge was to make Voodoo come alive with an actor, to work with him. I mean, actor who has been in the industry for 4 decades, more than 4 decades, 300 plus movies. So his energy, the character of this, the Voodoo character, the energy has to be matched with Lal sir itself, the Burrows character which he has played in the movie. So it was a great challenge for us, and I truly know that everyone would love to watch this movie and appreciate all the characters which has been introduced in this movie. And thank you, Lal sir, for this great opportunity.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Now I want to introduce a person who stood with me for years together, and he's my right hand, I can proudly say. Mr. Rajiv Kumar, director. He has done a maximum number of shows with me, and surprisingly, he was with the My Dear Kuttichatan. It was his first film. So he worked in that 3D film, and after 40 years, again, with us, he is working. So he is the soul of the film, and he has created a magic, helping us in in all manners. So I want to introduce Mr. Rajiv Kumar to you.
Good afternoon. As Mohanlal sir said, it is a strange coincidence that I started my career as an assistant director for my dear Chota Chetan in 1984. I started the career with a original 3D film, and after 40 years, I was so fortunate to work with another real 3D film, Burrows. And my starting as an assistant director, and then I later worked with Mohanlal sir as director, and we were very close friends, and we have done a lot of events in India as well as overseas. And when this idea of Burrows, when Lal sir decided to make, and I was not a part of the film in the beginning, but the destiny has turned around, and I was so excited to be a part of the next native 3D, which is happening in India. And I loved working with him even before as an actor. We traveled together for more than a lot of shows, like maybe 100 different kinds of shows. And I've done 3 films with him. And it is a great opportunity for me to realize myself what I have gone through for the past so many years in the film industry. So thank you so much for incorporating me in your first debut film, and working with Santosh and all the other technicians. It was a great experience. And regarding the technique or the VFX part or the animation part, I can proudly say that we have done a job at par with any international film, which I would love to say that we used the technology without showing that this is technology. We always try to make the technology go with the real life. And as you know, filmmaking is always it's a magic to be created and to convince the audience that they are there. So I think Burrows has created an atmosphere and a space. When you get into the theater, you will be a part of the film. Thank you so much for creating that magic, Mohanlal sir, and all the entire team who worked in the film. Thank you.
Gentlemen, a photo op with.
On stage.
No, it's my first experience to sing for Mohanlal ji, and he was there at the recording, so that really made things a little, I don't know whether it made it easier or simpler, but इससे पहले मैंने कभी मोहनलाल जी से व्यक्तिगत रूप में मिला नहीं था, लेकिन ऑब्वियसली उनकी जो ऑरा है, उनकी जो बॉडी ऑफ वर्क है, मैं बहुत नर्वस था वो आएंगे, किस तरह से हम मिलेंगे. ही वाज सच अ इजी, नेचुरल एंड वंडरफुल पर्सन लाइक ही ऑलवेज इज़. एंड उसके बाद तो मैं और भी बड़ा उनका फ़ैन हो गया ऑन अ पर्सनल लेवल. And his presence being there, not only as the actor but also the director, really helped in getting the emotions out of the song, and I really enjoyed the session. Also, I'd like to mention Lydian Nadaswaram, the composer, who's all of 18 and the pride of our country, because he is, as a pianist, as a musician, he's really done something extraordinary as a prodigy, and now he's come in, debuted as a composer in this film, so that is another great plus point of Paras. Are very thrilled, very happy to be a part of this film.
And I can't forget the expression on Shan's face when I suddenly jumped in and said, "Shan, you're singing for a ghost." आपको तो so how was the experience of singing for when you suddenly realized कि it's not only Mohanlal sir but it's also the ghost of Burrows? आपको कैसे लगा?
नहीं, बिल्कुल, जब गोस्ट इतना प्यारा, इतना वार्म, इतनी कंपैशनेट हो, तो फिर तो प्यारा अच्छा ही लगता है. जनरली लोगों को लगता है गोस्ट होगा कुछ डेंजरस, लेकिन आई थिंक ही इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट वार्मेस्ट, काइंडेस्ट, स्वीटेस्ट, एज वी कुड सी इन द ट्रेलर इटसेल्फ. द केमिस्ट्री बिटवीन द चाइल्ड इजाबेला एंड बारोस इज ब्यूटीफुल. मैं 2 लाइन
Please.
इसाबेला इसाबेला तू ही सुकून है मेरा, साथ रहे हमसाया, करता है हिफाजत मैं हूँ सदा.
Can we ask you? Can we ask Mohanlal
I'm told
sir
Mohanlal ji has sung the
to
original
also sing the
himself.
Malayalam version of it, please, sir? Please, no, yahi pe. We'll have the.
Thank you, Shan. When we started the film, the 4 years back, I asked Lydian Nadaswaram. His name is Lydian Nadaswaram. He was only 12 years old. So I selected him as the music director for this film. It's not only for the as a music director. It's not not a children's film, but his ability to perceive music, his capacity, is a prodigy, unbelievable. Now he's 17 and he has done all the songs, and the entire orchestra was done in Macedonia, that's near Greece, and the background score was done by one of the finest musicians in the world called Mark Killian, and we have done it in Los Angeles, Budapest, and we mixed the entire songs in UK. And the sound designer is another great person called Frenchie, and sorry, I'm just getting the name. Jonathan, sorry. I'm a little perplexed, okay. And Malayalam song I have sung.
So can we request you, sir, that you would, if Shan has sang the Hindi,
Sorry.
can you sing one?
It's an honor for be on stage.
Isabella, Isabella, കരളിൻ പൊന്നിധിയാണു നീ നിഴലുപോ അരികെ ഞാൻ അതിരു കാക്കണ കാവലും.
Shan, continue, Shan. Ek aur line.
Thank you,
line. One more line,
Shan
Shan.
is a very well-known face, well-known singer to our Kerala audience. He has
Shan,
sung
ek
lot of
aur
Malayalam
line,
songs.
Shan, please.
Thank you, you can sit.
Shan,
I
ek
think-
aur line. One
Sorry?
more line. One
Oh,
more.
sorry.
We're sing.
The phone I've left
कोई
behind.
बात नहीं, वही one line.
Isabella, Isabella, तू ही सुकून है मेरा,
Lal sir.
साथ रहे हमसाया, करता है हिफाजत मैं हूँ सदा.
Lal sir,
Thank you, thank you.
can you do that one
No,
more?
we have to know the other things to do. Okay, thank you, sir. See, the genre of this film is a fantasy adventure. I'm just going through my phone. And this, I told you, this is a native 3D shot with stereo lenses. It's a audio format is Dolby Atmos. Now I have to introduce somebody. Because of them only, we have come out with this brilliant film. And you have to watch the film a little back. It's not properly selected. Okay, it's a different issue. So I don't want to introduce him. He's one of the greatest cameramen in India, but I will say in the world, Mr. Santosh Shivan. Recently, he has got one of the most brilliant and one of the respected award, Pierre d'Angier, from Cannes. He only shot this film. It was a challenge. I don't know. For Santosh, nothing is challenge. He has got 12 national awards. And 3 or 4 from my films. Please, Santosh, sir, come.
Thank you so much, Lal sir. I always see him smiling, even when we started the film. He was always full of smiles, and despite the pandemic happening, and despite him wearing 2 hats, one of a director and an actor, and also choreographing the action sequences, he was always smiling. And despite all the several delays, and our first protagonist, the girl actually didn't come back from US, but he also is always smiling. And even now I find him smiling, and I think he is one of the calmest and the most interesting director, original director, I would say, I've ever worked with. And I've worked with quite a few. Thank you.
Mr. Sivan,
That's all.
I have a gift for you. Sorry.
Thank you. Now I have to introduce a very important, it's not only one person, there are 2 persons. That is Ashika and Surabhi. They have created the 3D. They are, come. Yeah. Ashisha and Surabhi, they are the stereographers behind Burroughs. Their expertise in this stereography is around 14 years. They have a studio called Sky Work Studios, a cutting-edge company offering world-class 3D equipment on par with the technology. Without them, we could have done this magic. Thank you. We can just say a few words.
Yeah, thank you, Lal sir, for such a beautiful introduction. And what a honor it's been working with you in creating this magic. I mean, it was so nice for you to trust us with your vision, and how you expanded, how you really adopted 3D and embraced 3D world, and really gave us the opportunity to push the boundaries. That I hope we can expand the whole world, show the whole world how 3D films should be made. So thank you so much, sir. That was probably the most hardest working person on set always, and I think you lead by example for all of us. The way you keep your composure, like Santosh sir said. There's so many days we would have challenges, but the way you overcame those challenges and enabled us, all to bring our best foot forward. That was so commending. Thank you again, sir, for the opportunity. And Sylvia, I think.
I mean, I would just quickly like to add that Santosh sir elevated the 3D of the film with his creative style of lighting. And he treated every frame like a painting. So it was a lot of learning from him. Him and Lal sir share an amazing camaraderie, and we had a great laugh on set, and we're taking home some very special memories. Barros is both very personal and professional to us. And we really hope that people fall in love with 3D the way we do, because we think it's made in the right way. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you.
We can watch one more song. Okay. Yeah, okay. Complicated questions?
Sir, it's about when is the next script coming? No, no, these are very, very calm. May I read it to you?
Yeah, please.
Okay, so Himesh from Pink Villa has said that you have worked with dear Priyadarshan sir and even Akshay sir. And in fact, when cinema was not national, Akshay sir had acted in a lot of your films earlier. How do you view his work and even your craft so far? And you both have phenomenal comic timing. Has there ever been a discussion of a two-hero comedy with you and Akshay sir?
Not really. He has done, myself and Priyan, we have done more than 40, 45 films together. Priyan's first film was with me. And if we complete another 3 films, then it will be 100 film. And I'll be doing with him. So it's first time in the world. First film and 100th film, same actor and director. Okay.
Wow.
So most of my films were remade it into Hindi, and Akshay ji has done it. You cannot compare actors. This is totally different. Even the costume, character, the body language, everything will be different. So I love his films. I have seen most of the films of which Priyadarshan has remade. Brilliant. He's a brilliant actor. As somebody was telling, he's very punctual and he loves his profession. He's a 100% professional actor. I'm not that professional. Okay, thank you.
No, you are. I had a personal question. I wanted to ask you, as an artist, we learn as we go about. Who have been your heroes and who have been your teachers that have helped you along your way, sir?
I cannot pinpoint a person. I believe somebody is guiding us. It is an unknown energy. So whenever I start a film, I'll just pray. This is the nature. Please help me, I'll say. Yeah, even in Barros, I don't know how Barros is going to shape out. Or after this, I'm going to a set. So whenever I'm there, I'll just pray. Please guide me. So there are a lot of people, a lot of gurus, a lot of unknown spirits are helping us. Even not me, whoever sits here, they are guided by somebody. So I give respect to those spirits. Okay?
Thank you very much for sharing that. Thank you, sir. You got a question? You want me to just ask away? Okay, thank you. All right, folks. So the next question, sir, is from Supriya from PTI. Yes? And your question is from Supriya. You are one of the actors who gave a different direction to Indian cinema with your films as an artist. There are a lot of expectations from you, sir. How are you fulfilling that in your directorial debut?
Entity-wise, Kerala is a small market, but things are changing. Now some films like this are going pan-Indian. But proudly we can say we are the first people who introduced CinemaScope in Indian film industry. The first processed 70 in Indian film industry. First 3D in Indian film industry. First co-production I produced with France. It's called Vanaprastham, which fetched some awards from Cannes. So we want to try something new, even if we are entity-wise small. Like that, it was my ambition to do something special for my industry. So that is how Burrows came out. Okay, something new. It's not impossible, but to do impossible things is again a pep. Thank you.
Yes, of course. Thank
Uh,
you.
Hello, Divya here, Lal sir. Divya here from Rediff.com. I have a question for you. Sir, you started your career with Mannil Virinya Pookal in December, which released in December. Manichitra Tal, which also released in December. Is December very special for you, which is why you also chose to release Burrows in December?
But to be very frank, this date came without my imagination because we are supposed to release it on 19th. Then because of that Lion King, we shifted on. It came to 25th. It's all predestined, I believe. This is where I respect the unknown energies. They only put this film to December 25th. It's a fabulous date for me. Thank you. And this particular film, I think this is releasing on 27th December in Hindi-speaking places. 27. Am I right, sir? Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. Now, sir, Ravi from ABP has asked that what has been your motivation to turn director? Why did it take you so long to make your first film? And who is the one director in Hindi cinema or a director in Hindi cinema that you would like to be directed by soon, and why?
Why I turned as a director again, it's a happening, I told you. So I was not in a mood or not in a plan to direct films. It happened. There's so many reasons. Like this is something special. So I have done some plays. It's for a National School of Drama. I have done some Sanskrit plays. I don't know Sanskrit, but I have done. Then later I got a deal it in Sanskrit. But it happened. Like that, so many things in my life, it's happening. We call it as a vismayam. It's an illusion. So like that it happened. And regarding, I have done a couple of Hindi films also. But now most of our films are dubbed into Hindi. And somebody calls me for a role, I'll definitely come and work. I don't mind. Thanks. I don't have a choice. We don't have a choice. Our actors, we don't have a choice. Let it come.
Yes,
Let it happen.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you for sharing that. I think the last couple of questions from the queue.
Last couple of questions.
We love having you here in Amchi, Mumbai. Please visit more often, sir. Yes.
I am here for how many years? Like we shot my first film. I think I shot 40 years back, Bombay.
yes.
So many films I have done in Mumbai. Yeah,
Super.
myself and Santosh, we shot so many films together in Mumbai. Yeah.
Fantastic Jugalbandi. So Nawaz from Indian Express Screen has asked, having been in the industry for decades now, you have seen cinema's evolution. I like this question. Now that you have directed, how is direction different in this day and age from what it was like earlier on in your career? If you could share some observation.
I can answer this question from my angle. It's a beautiful congress we had with great technicians like Santosh or Rajiv Kumar or our art director, music, like the stereographer. So it's a beautiful congress. You cannot create a film without the support of. It is a beautiful congress. You need some very good paraphernalia to bring out the best. So we have the best people around me, and they all supported me, and the final result is from their hands. I was just a tool. Okay.
Very humble, sir. Thank you. It's a huge learning. From India today, Anita, if given a chance to direct a film with someone from Bollywood, who would that be and why?
I have given the answer. I'm ready. You send someone to me. Okay.
Okay.
Are you
Last Kala,
sleeping?
sir?
Are you sleeping? You're sleeping. No,
So one last question.
no. Eh? Sorry if I wake you up. Okay.
No, we are all aware and awake together. Titas from News 18. This is the final one, folks. We're going to wrap up. How do you think the huge success of Pushpa 2 paved the way for upcoming pan-India films? How do you look at the bar that has been set now? So basically, yes.
Not only Pushpa, my humble prayer to the Almighty, film should run. The film industry's wheel has to turn because of success. So every film should run. Yes. And people should respect the film. And especially Pushpa, and a lot of big films are coming. And even my film, I wish it should run. Then only we can, because it's like a gate crash. Somebody coming. I did a film long back called Sasaya Kalapani. It was a pan-Indian film long back. How many years back? Santosh only shot that film. He got a national award. Wow. Right? Wow. So somebody should do. It is like a great crash. Then only big films. We have all the materials, all the great technician, artists. But somebody should bring out very different films that can be shown to anywhere in the world. So we are just trying. And let it happen.
Yes.
Thank you.
Advice to the young children who want to come into our industry.
I'm not that old to advise. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Mr. Mohan.
Okay. एक ही शब्द, wow. It's a great. मतलब मैं बताऊं, मैंने भी बहुत सारी 3D फिल्में देखी हैं, आप लोगों ने भी देखी है, लेकिन ये it's a pure 3D film, shot 3D way, and that is commendable. And बहुत ये कहते हैं ना कि ऐसी फिल्में, बच्चों के लिए फिल्में हमारे हिंदुस्तान में बहुत कम बनती हैं. तो क्या इत्तेफाकी बात है कि आज मैं अपनी बेटी के साथ यहाँ जू PVR में जा रहा हूँ एक बच्चे की फिल्म देखने, इंग्लिश फिल्म है. एंड ये भी मैं साहब बार बार बोले जा रहे हैं मैं आपके लिए ट्रायल रखूँगा, लेकिन मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि मैं जाके थिएटर में जाके देखूँगा प्रॉपरली. और but it is a wonderful film. It's going to be a great experience, and I'm waiting forward to see what kind of reaction my daughter is going to give, because that makes I become very happy when she is very happy. So, sir, thank you very much for making this film, and this is going to make a lot of children very, very, very happy, sir.
Thank you very much. I was telling Ashay sir, after so many years, you are watching a film in the first row, like.
No, sir, lot of trailers we have only watched here only.
The best view is from you have to sit in the center.
I completely agree.
Thank you so
sir.
much. We are going to show some of the songs also, but I know that you are busy.
No, sir, that's why, sir.
Yeah,
मैं AC कपड़ों में आ गया भाग के.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
As a small token of our appreciation, Akshay sir. And we would also like to have the first day first show for your daughter. We would like her to watch it and have her reaction first.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
I will surely do. Thank you, and thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How fantastic to see two friends reunited again. Thank you. Wish you all and your families tremendous success.
Santosh Shivan sir, our pride for India. Jayanti Bai ko. Jayanti Bai, 1 minute. Jayanti Bai, a small token of appreciation from us.
Yes.
ठीक है, it's okay. Fine. Yeah, we'll have the songs. We'll just have the song. Yeah. Can we see the songs, please? Acha, so we'll just watch the songs. And Shanji, you're here. Hanji.
We have, Barossa has got 5 songs, 2 Fado songs. Fado songs are a real traditional melancholic Portugal folk song. We have 2. And we have 3 other songs. We'll show 4 songs here. One is an underwater song, which we don't have it now because please watch it in the theater. That is our secret. So we'll show some of the songs here. We'll come with we are all ready to watch the song? Yeah, we'll come with the first song.